Here, class 3rd, subject SST, lesson number 6, Kolkata. In this, here is the map of Kolkata which is given in your book that you have to observe. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Its old name was Calcutta. 3 villages were combined during the British period to make Kolkata. 3 villages were combined and it's make the Kolkata. The city got its name from the village of Calicut. So here we have seen which is the old name Calcutta, and this name is got with the help of village that is Calicut. Kolkata is located along the banks of the river Hooghly. The river connects Kolkata to the sea. Now here we will see about the climate. What is the climate of Kolkata? Kolkata has a moderate climate, means it is a pleasant. It is not a neither hot nor cold, means its pleasant climate is there. It receives the heavy rain from the June to September. As we know in our India, monsoon, it is coming in the India June to September. So same here also, heavy rainfall is there in the month June to September. Now the weather remains hot and humid during the monsoon. Weather remains hot and humid during the monsoon. It is not a cold, hot and humid it is because of coastal area. Now we'll see about the means of the transports. Which means of the transports are here? Let's see. Rabindranath Setu, earlier known as Howrah Bridge, is the old hanging bridge on river Hooghly. Hanging means it is connected to the tops and lower part it is a free. Let's see how it looks. Here is the picture of Howrah Bridge. See, 2 points it has connected and lower part it has not connected. It is a free. It is the biggest and famous bridge of the Kolkata. Even we have also heard about this Howrah Bridge. See, you will understand by this small video. Here is the Howrah Bridge which is on the Hooghly river. Now, another bridge has been built on river Hooghly. It is called as Vidyasagar Setu. Setu means bridge. Setu means it is a word bridge. The underground railway system called the metro, local buses and trains are important means of the transport. So these are the means of the transport in the Kolkata. Underground railway system means metros are there, local buses are there, all things are there. Howrah and Sildah are main railway stations of the Kolkata. These are the 2 main railway stations. Here one more thing is there. Diamond Harbour is important port situated on the banks of river Hooghly. Okay, this is the most important port into the export and import. Kolkata is the only city in India which still has the tram network. Yes. Have you heard or not? I don't know about the tram. Let's see what is the tram. Here is a small video. By that you can understand what is the tram. Let's see. This is a tram, yellow color. It having the 2. It is a train like only structure. It having a ट्रेन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, इट इज़ ए ट्रैम. सो पहले इंडिया में बहुत सारे थे, अभी से कोलकाता इज़ ओनली सिटी इट हैविंग द ट्रैम नेटवर्क. for transportation. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport connects the Kolkata to other cities in India. Means it is the air transportation media. Industries. Which industries are there? Let's see. Jute, silk, rice, paper, and chemicals are some of important industries of Kolkata. Jute, silk, rice, paper, and chemical are the some of the important industries of Kolkata. Here historical places are here that we have to see. Which are the historical places? Fort William, Indian Museum, Victoria Memorial, Birla Planetarium, then Rabindra Sarovar, Alipur Zoo, Botanical Garden, Belur Math. These are some historical and tourist places. There is only Fort William, it is a historical place. It is a Victorian memorial. The National Library in Kolkata is the biggest library in the India. Let's see which languages they are speaking. Bangla is the main language spoken here besides Hindi and English. As we know, in our Maharashtra we are speaking Hindi, English and Marathi. But in Kolkata, Bangla is the main language to spoken in this city. Now we'll see about the tradition of Kolkata related to costumes, food and their festivals. Let's see first of all the costume. Here is the picture. You have to observe this. What is the costume of this Kolkata? Men's, they wears dhoti and kurta. But nowadays they also wears t-shirts or shirts and trousers. Means western. They are wearing the western clothes also, and women wear the saris and salwar kameez along with western dresses like skirts and trousers. Nowadays many of you we are using the western clothes also. The famous festival celebrated in Kolkata is a Durga Puja. As we have heard about the Durga Puja, they are enjoying this festival. It is a very holy festival which is celebrated in the Kolkata. Now, second festival also there, that is the Kali Puja, is another festival that is celebrated here with a joy. Okay. Beside of these festivals, many festivals they are celebrating, but these two are the very famous festival. Which are the popular games from in the Kolkata? Cricket, football are the most popular games in the Kolkata. Okay, the Kolkata city likes the crickets and footballs. Okay, these are the popular games. People of West Bengal are creative and traditional. They are fond of music, painting, and other art forms. They are very interested in the creativity and they are very fond into the music, painting, and other art forms also. Now we'll see which is the food is famous in the Kolkata. Their staple food is the fish curry and rice because of it having the coastal area as well as river also. So their staple food is that fish curry and rice, and they are growing the rice crops. They are also fond of the sweets, especially Rasgulla, which is famous all over the world. Okay, this is their famous sweet dish. Up to this we have seen about the Kolkata. Now you have to learn this and write down the exercise. Bye bye.